Feeling overwhelmed by all the data you're getting from Kraken? Or maybe you're not getting enough. You've heard about something called Cerebro tools but have no idea how to enable and use them. Well, you've come to the right place. Kraken is a powerful tool for metagenome analysis, and its various versions, like Kraken Unique and Kraken 2, generate a ton of data. But what do you do with it all? That's where Kraken Tools comes in. These are a suite of scripts designed to help you with the downstream analysis of your Kraken results. They can help you filter, combine, and visualize your data, making your life a whole lot easier. Think of them as the next level of analysis after you've run your initial Kraken job. So, how do you get started? Kraken tools are a set of Python scripts, so you don't need to install a single program. You just need to have Python and a working Kraken database. You can download the scripts directly from their GitHub page. Once you have them, you can make the scripts executable with a simple command, and you're ready to go. The scripts are run from the command line, and each one has specific options and arguments. You just need to tell it what Kraken output file you want to analyze and what you want it to do. Let's dive into some examples of how you might use these tools. One of the most popular is kreport to krona.py. This script converts your Kraken report into a format that's compatible with Krona, a fantastic visualization tool. You can also use filter_bracken_out.py to filter Bracken output files, allowing you to include or exclude specific taxonomy IDs. This is super useful if you want to focus on a subset of species or remove host reads from your data. And if you have multiple reports you want to compare, combine_kreports.py can merge them into a single, comprehensive file. The key to using these tools effectively is understanding what each one does and how to use the command line arguments. Each script has a help menu you can access to see all the options. It's about taking that raw data from Kraken and transforming it into something meaningful, whether that's a beautiful interactive chart or a more focused dataset for further analysis. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.